The Cricket and the Ant, a story of no pain, no gain. Once upon a time, in a peaceful green meadow, there lived a cheerful cricket who loved to sing and dance all day. With no care in the world, he spent his summer hopping through the grass, playing his tiny violin and enjoying the sunshine. His chirps echoed through the trees as he laughed and twirled, proud of his carefree life. Not far from the cricket's home lived a colony of ants. Among them was a hard-working little ant who, along with her fellow ants, toiled from morning till night. They gathered grains, stored food, and prepared their nest for the coming winter. While the cricket danced in the sunlight, the ant worked tirelessly, dragging food that was often much heavier than herself. One bright summer morning, the cricket spotted the ant struggling to carry a large seed. "Why do you work so hard?" the cricket called out. "Come enjoy the sunshine. Life is short, why waste it working?" The ant paused and looked up. "I'm preparing for the winter. When the cold comes, there will be no food. We must gather while we can." The cricket laughed. "Winter is so far away. Why think about tomorrow, when today is so beautiful?" The ant shook her head. "Because without pain, there is no gain," she replied and returned to her task. Days passed, and summer faded into autumn. The air grew cooler, the trees began to shed their leaves, and soon the meadow turned cold and quiet. Winter arrived, covering the ground in a thick blanket of snow. The cricket, who had made no preparations, found himself cold and hungry. His music stopped, his legs trembled, and his belly ached with hunger. There were no insects to sing to, no leaves to rest on, and no food in sight. Desperate and weak, the cricket remembered the ant. He followed the scent of food through the snow and arrived at the ant's warm nest. He knocked gently. The ant opened the door and was surprised to see the once happy cricket now shivering and sad. "Oh, dear cricket," said the ant kindly. "What brings you here?" "I'm cold and starving," the cricket said quietly. "I didn't prepare for winter. I thought summer would last forever." The ant looked at him with a mixture of sympathy and wisdom. "I tried to warn you, my friend. We ants work hard because we know that nothing lasts forever. The warmth of summer is a gift, but it must be used wisely." The ant gave the cricket some food and shelter for the night, but she made him promise that when spring came, he would work and prepare like the ants. The cricket nodded gratefully, understanding at last the truth of the ant's words. Moral of the story: no pain, no gain.